Driving is easy, but really requires professional skills to handle all bad situations. If you are a weak driver, then you have to step back when crossing the road. Like in the video, still drive safely. Let's watch the video talented guys. Hi, how release to the channel. Once subscribe and like, let's go.
Oke. Ganjal. Waduh!